Alright, but it is time to give you guys a look at what we got for Retro Yugi in 2026. A very brief look, because this is going to be a very simple look right now. And it is going to be now a how-to channel. What do I mean by this and why is this becoming a how-to? It's because it's time to get into my roots again. Time to go back to the roots. Alright? So, what is the roots of this channel? It's a how-to channel. How do I know this? Because if we go back in time, if we go back to my content when I first started, if we go back to 2019, my first real big video was a how-to video. How to play the Moody game, to be precise. And, and as you guys can already see, all the Moody videos have already more views than any other content I have ever done on this channel. Okay? More views. The Uganda Knuckles video has only surpassed because it's a different category. But still, we're talking about a niche that is the how-to tutorials. Alright, so we're going back there. But it might be a mix of stuff. So I'm going to explain what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be showing you guys tonight, actually, the platformer project, how to start making your game, your platformer game with this asset. So that's gonna be later tonight, 5:45 on YouTube here. I may remake this right here, the Moody bot. I'm not sure yet because it's been a while since I played with the bot, and as an actual player and not a moderator, because I moved on because they haven't updated for a while. But this bot has been played for a while. It's still being played today. I haven't seen an update for this for a while. Now I know it's been a while, so I'm gonna check out back in. So we'll see. So I'm gonna remake this if it's worth remaking. The Dolphin emulator and walkthroughs I am not going to be remaking unless I see fit, because Nintendo is very weird with their policies at this moment. So I'm not sure yet. They're very weird. And when I say very weird, look at what just happened. Their patent just got rejected because they're trying to go after Power World for no reason. Okay? They're not going after if copyright. They're going after patent game mechanics. So yeah, that's why it's very weird. How about the FPS engine from Kausen? Oh yeah. I may remake this. I may not, because I now have the inventory system and the shop system, which I did not have when I did this tutorial back then. And actually, it wasn't long ago. It was literally 2 months ago. Learn DaVinci Resolve. This is only if I'm going to remake this if I decide to get the studio version, the 1 month rental, because I have not dived into the other stuff that you can do with DaVinci Resolve if you have the studio version. I don't want to do it just because I have the studio version. I want to do it because I want to teach it. And you guys like the tutorials for DaVinci. The one tutorial I have to remake is this one, the Learn Lunar Magic, because the back when I first started doing this tutorial series for Learn Lunar Magic, I accidentally went into harder stuff, and I did not mean to do that, so I'm gonna redo this. So do expect me to redo the Learn Lunar Magic one. The advanced material that I'm referring to is talking about custom sprites and custom patches. That's still considered advanced because if you're not into that stuff, and you're just learning how to make your own ROM hack, you don't need to learn that stuff. Although it is recommended that you do because Mario ROM hacks nowadays are becoming very creative. So you have to consider that as a factor. Okay. New tutorials I am considering doing refer to videos I have already done. And let me show you guys what I'm referring to when it comes to those particular videos. So if we go back to when I did the whole testing thing. So back here, I typed in the word DaVinci. Anytime word the word DaVinci, I have a video for you. So some of the videos that might get a how-to include this one. Although I did it as a mini project for you guys during the presentation of DaVinci. It's how I made my first Mario animation in DaVinci Resolve. I showed you this as a mini project because I wanted you to learn. I want you to enforce the rule, enforce your skills about skill keyframing and animations. This one could be its own tutorial. This is how you make the whole um, flashing red thing, the red flashes on the screen. This is actually a thing that actually was used in the episode for Wolf Ventures. This is why I gave you this video. To give you guys a preview of, hey, I'm going to show you guys what you can do in DaVinci Resolve at the time. And then I can also show you guys how I'm making my very own end credit sequence for VR chat videos like this one. For the first episode of the Wolf Ventures. That's how many videos I can easily turn into how-tos. Okay? Why the focus on how-to and not VR chat or education or gaming? Because I think it's time to go back to the roots of the channel. Like seriously, roots. By roots, I actually mean tutorials. Now that doesn't mean there won't be gaming on this channel. Mario is coming back as soon as tomorrow, by the way, because it didn't do as well as I thought it would in the Mario channel. Then that doesn't mean it was a good stream. It just means view-wise and do good. So I think Mario is coming back here for sure. And indie games on Sundays. You get a tutorial on Tuesdays, by the way. So Mondays and Wednesdays will be back here for Mario. Tuesdays will be back here for tutorials. Thursdays will be on the VR channel, and all that. Anyway, what are the new tutorials I might consider doing when it comes to content? I want to start showing off live commentaries as well, which is why I gave you the poll to vote on. Alright, and you still have time for this. Live commentaries is basically taking the commentary section and putting it as a live stream. Like this can go into advanced subjects like how AI is taking over YouTube, how AI is the revolution, how AI is changing the game for content creators. Something about like how streamers are benefiting from the new algorithm. Something that's advanced that you need graphics and anything to understand it. So that is our new tutorials that are going to be added. The commentary videos, the live commentaries. You're going to learn about a specific subject or a specific event when it comes to live streaming, content creation, or something in that form, or even live news about Nintendo, something different every year, every week, excuse me. So that's what you can expect for this channel. And as far as like other things you want to consider, um, it is the most popular thing on this channel, the tutorials. All right, so tutorials are back. But if you want gaming stuff, do not worry. I have for you the other channels. Keep in mind that the RetroYuki VR gaming is going to be merging with the RetroYuki VR channel as soon as this week. I'm going to be uploading some VR gaming videos for you guys. I have a gameplay of cricket for you guys to look at. That could be its own video too. How to understand cricket. Alright? And I'm going to tell you now, it's a sport that I don't think you guys know about yet. Because very few know about cricket. Because we know about baseball, we know about basketball, we know about soccer, but we don't know about cricket. Not as much. So that could be its own how to understand cricket. Okay? Now, if the live tutorials for these like the commentaries that don't work, it's okay. Don't worry. I still have video ones to go. We're just going back to our roots here. Alright? That's all. We'll see you guys tonight for our live tutorial. Enjoy. And we'll see you guys soon.